Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. This is yet another new watch. Let's unbox and see what is inside. I really enjoy these unboxing videos. It's always a pleasure unboxing a new watch. Let's see what it is. This is the AD2080 from ADDIESDIVE. This is one of their new releases. Let's see. Again, the same old box from ADDIESDIVE. The Pelican case. I don't mind this case. As I always say, you can use this case to store things after you unbox the watch. Let's see what is inside the box. The watch, nicely wrapped. Let's take the watch out. Boy, look at that watch. It's all green. Alright, let's see what else in the box. A warranty card, as usual, unsigned. The user manual. The bracelet tool to remove links on your bracelet. Let's see if there's anything else. Nothing at all, that's it. As soon as you take it out of the box, it's up and running, which is always a good sign. It looks absolutely fantastic. Look at that dial. Oh boy. Even with this wrapping, it looks fantastic. Let's quickly unwrap this polythene and see how it looks. Alright, the polythene's out. Have a look at this dial, guys. It is absolutely fantastic. I thought of reviewing the green color. There's two more colors, color variant. One is in blue, the other one is black. All are like this fume dials, and it's a textured dial, very well finished. The sides are brushed. I like this brush side and the polish chamfered because it looks really nice, and also it won't get scratched that easily. This is an sporty watch, a Gada watch, go anywhere, do anything kind of on watch. The San Martin does one. Actually, they do plenty of variation with this similar case style. Watchdives have come up with one. I think Chronos also does something similar to this, but this is the cheapest you get, but I'm absolutely amazed with this dial. Look at that textures, the stripes going on. It's really lovely. And the bracelet fitting looks really well done. No gap. Let's quickly look at the bracelet. Good tolerance. And what I like about ADDIESDIVE bracelets is the underneath of the bracelet is also polished. I mean, it's finished to a good level, so you won't get any rough edges when you wear it. Alright, finally, this clasp is much better than the one I had with my previous one, which is a press clasp. This is a fully milled clasp with 5 micro adjustments, which is really good from ADDIESDIVE. ADDIESDIVE, you need to get this logo out of the way. This doesn't look good. And we have a screw down case back, the same style. I was expecting something like a Rolex one, which will make the watch thinner. Have a look at this green dial, guys. As I always say, the ADDIESDIVE, they are giving luxurious dials on a budget. Look at that dial. Absolutely fantastic. It appears like an applied logo. I need to check it and see. The hands look pedal type hands, looks very nice, and the hour markers are applied. I am pretty sure this will have some killer loom because ADDIESDIVE known for their loom. Most of their watches, they give pretty good loom. Let's see the crown action. It winds good. It changes, no issue. I mean, I'm absolutely amazed with this dial. It's absolutely gorgeous looking. And this green, I had my doubts on this green color, but I think I made the right choice by going for the green. It looks absolutely fantastic. Look at that finishing, guys. I think this dive has missed one thing, because this appear like an dome crystal. This is not an flat crystal. This is an dome sapphire. Because they missed it on their description page, I guess. They should have mentioned this, because this dome sapphire is bit expensive than the normal one. So they have missed a trick there. So it is far more expensive watch on a budget. Female endlings. I love it. Let's see how it looks on my wrist. Mine is an 6.5 inch wrist, guys. Doesn't look big. I need to resize this bracelet. I'm just giving you a glimpse of first impression. It looks good proportion, but it was mentioned as an 38mm watch, but it looks a bit bigger on my hand than 38. We'll have to measure and see. Let's have a look at the loom really quickly. This is without charging the watch at all. This is just from the studio light. This much of a little money, if you are giving this kind of quality, you have to give credit to ADDIESDIVE. They always give good loom. Alright guys, watch out for my full review of this particular watch. It's absolutely good looking.